Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category good. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, activities, etc. Category 5. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So, yes, we required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Enroll them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you are facing